Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to mail merge from Google Sheets in 2025. If you're tired of manually copying and pasting data into emails or documents, this tutorial is for you. Mail Merge is a powerful tool that lets you automate personalized communications, like sending customized letters or emails to a list of contacts. With Google's latest updates in 2025, it's even easier and more efficient. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have a Google account and access to Google Sheets and Google Docs. Open up Google Sheets and prepare your data. Create a spreadsheet with columns for the information you want to merge, such as names, addresses, and any custom fields. For example, label your columns as first name, last name, and email. Double-check for accuracy because clean data leads to flawless merges. Next, head over to Google Docs to create your template. This is where you'll design the document that will be personalized. Type out your base content, like a letter or email body, and use placeholders for the dynamic data. In 2025, Google has introduced smarter placeholders. Simply type less than first name greater than and it will auto-suggest from your sheet. Now, for the magic part. Integrating Sheets with Docs. Go to the Extensions menu in Google Docs and select Add-ons. Look for the Mail Merge add-on, which has been updated for better compatibility in 2025. Install it if you haven't already. Once installed, open the add-on and connect it to your Google Sheet. Select the sheet and the range of data you want to use. Hit Merge, and watch as Google generates individualized documents for each row in your sheet. In the latest version, you can even preview merges before finalizing, saving you time on edits. If you're merging for emails, use the Send Emails feature directly from the add-on, but remember to review Gmail integration settings for security. A quick tip: always test with a small batch first to avoid any errors. And with 2025's AI enhancements, the add-on can now suggest optimizations, like fixing formatting issues automatically. There you have it, mail merging made simple. This process can save you hours, whether you're running a business or organizing events. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.